Everyone admires New Zealand so much for its love for the countryside, its beautiful scenery, farms, rivers, and mountains. Well, why don't we walk to an idyllic farm in the Taranaki region of New Zealand to meet Donna? She has changed a corner of her property into a stunning Airbnb glamping retreat. A relaxing and refreshing spot. Hop on with me to dig deep into this spectacular transformation. Hey guys, and welcome to another lush episode of Luxury Real Estate, where we take you to the rich and luxurious side of the real estate industry. Today, we're going to take a look at the idyllic farm transformed into luxury glamping getaway. Right before we dive in, make sure to drop a like. If you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications for more fancy content. Donna has changed a quiet corner of her idyllic farm into a spectacular glamping Airbnb retreat. This mysterious setup has empowered her to run her business from home and spend more time with her family. Placed in the foothills of the peak and right beside a lovely river, we are sure that you are going to love the skylight, the windows, the bathroom, the wood stove, and the no loft. Old folks with senior pets can't do the lofts. It was opened in February 2020. River Belle is placed on a working farm on Egmont Village's outskirts, which is just 10 minutes away from the town of New Plymouth. River Belle is set in solitude amongst 100 acres. You can find the whole space to yourself to rest, unwind, relax, and relish each other's company. It must be so relaxing to hear the harmonious sound of the river flowing, particularly when going to sleep and waking up in the morning, which makes this place come to life. What Donna has created here really is impossible for your eyes to believe. She has absolutely made this impossible possible. The campsite is fully secluded, 100% off-grid, equipped with solar power. Set next to the Mangaroka River, a large bell tent luxuriously fitted out and is accompanied by an amenities hut, providing a charming kitchen and separate bathroom. The hut hosts an outdoor bath with the view of Mount Taranaki. It is an astonishing way to build accommodation, while at the same time allowing guests to really experience the best that nature has to offer. River Belle Glamping gives its enthusiasts a truly unique experience. It is the best place for a romantic couple's getaway as well. The management really sought to present everything that you need, and also they have tried their maximum to zip things that you don't require. The designers have really kept many things on their mind before creating this lovely property. So when they formulated this site, they were heedful of today's living. In today's era, everyone is working. If in a family, both the parents are working, and it would be filled up with all the high stress. Social media and other influential media can increase your expectation of living a certain lifestyle in today's world. Everyone is required to build a place that would make them feel home, all while obeying the modern rules of lifestyle. Those who want to unplug from the outer world and forget about all the stuff and relish themselves need a home where they can feel so. Many become unsuccessful in today's marriages due to a lack of reconnection and talk to each other again. All you have to do is remember why you got married and why you had kids and recharge yourselves to go and do it all again. And this magnificent place is a suitable and apt place if you want to maintain a steady relationship in this industrious life. Initially, this was actually Donna's parents' farm in New Zealand. It is home to the absolutely breathtaking nature, giving us incredible landscapes. Keeping in mind it is just a farmland, it really is wonderful to be able to just open up a little corner and experience it with other people. Donna has streamed so much attention and love into formulating a magical sense for her guests. The tent itself has been wonderfully finished. The interior fit-out sort of feels very much like a modern apartment. It's also backed by a fully featured ablution block, with a kitchen, bathroom, and even a luxurious outdoor hot tub. I mean, just imagine that you had a hectic day and you come home and just relax in that hot tub. Doesn't that sound amazing? Along with that, the fireplace, the tent, and electric blankets help keep you warm during winter and can also create a romantic glimpse. The outdoor spaces offer you the beauty of nature where you can just relax. You can also enjoy warmth from the fireplaces as well. In the river, you can even sit down on the steps, and they have perfectly finished it with a few beanbags and other such amenities. They can just sit down and be consumed by it and have the time of their lives relaxing to the core. In simple terms, you can just unplug yourself and throw all of your worries away. Not too long ago, Donna even explained where she actually grabbed the bathtub situated there as well. Yeah, that one was actually recovered from one of the old farmhouses, which was actually intended for the dump. But Donna's decision to restore it just proves why she is the most powerful in this area. They actually restored it, and it comes out to be superb and useful as ever. The beautiful carpets out there just give the feeling to the block. And yeah, you're on the farm, things would get dirty. And so they didn't actually want a bright and shiny feel, but instead opted for a rustic farm feel. It wasn't about the shiny or the bright things that would stun them, but the lovely candles and everything around as well just add to the beauty of the place. This must surely be quite comfortable at night, giving you that amazing feeling of home. The next brilliant idea from the designs is about managing the water and also the water heating. Donna said that they get the water off the farm supply, equipped with a water filtration system outside and a guess infinity for the hot water. As first-time glampers, you would actually get a little bit nervous, but quickly it will ease on arrival. Everything you need for a tranquil retreat is set in the most picturesque location. The boat there just adds its own beauty to the property. They actually went to Auckland to get that, as Donna said that the guy thought they were actually going to restore it lovingly. But they had other plans for that one, and trust me, their plan turned out to be just amazing. They actually chopped it up and made a cute little love seat out of the back end of it. She opined that it would probably making more sense and to get more use as it is than it would have been as a boat. Donna is so creative, don't you think so too? One would absolutely love the vanity, the cow tags, and each detailing of the property. As we said earlier, the River Belle is located on an employed farm. Farm animals, mostly cows and calves, will be on the farm most of the time. They don't permit pets for rule for the refuge, protection, and well-being of their animals. They also have strict rules where they try not to interact, pet, or feed the animals. They also insist visitors leave all gates to the farm as you find them, as in, if it's closed, it is advised to close the gate once you have passed through, and if it's open, it should be kept open. As we are off-grid, they are fully reliant on solar power and a composting toilet. As she said, it was the most reliable option that they had for out there, as it is a remote place in New Zealand, and it was the best option also for having the lowest impact on the site. I would recommend this striking property to anyone visiting Taranaki, but hey, don't forget that Donna is pretty strict when it comes to this beautiful place. No smoking, no pets, no parties or events. All in all, it surely is the best place if you wish to have a splendid and memorable time with your family. Perfect gift for your family, and if you are a couple and wanting to take a break from any hustle and bustle or just for a romantic getaway, it is the perfect spot. Positioned instantly by the river where you can hear the mild sweetness of the rushing water at night, which could give a romantic feel. For someone who's desiring to escape into a magical place from this world of stress, this place would be just one that they might be looking for. You can imagine how proud Donna would be of this awesome property, and surely she should be. This place boasts such a beautiful location and well thought out details. So if this isn't worth the praises, I don't know what is. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. We trust that you enjoyed the full video tour and surely book a stay yourself. And you can also discover this place on Airbnb. Trust us, it is an idyllic stay in a beautiful part of New Zealand. On that note, let us know if you would love to visit this inspiring and amazing place or not. Comment down all your views in the comment sections. Make sure to show us some love by smashing that like button. Until next time,